This is the time when the talking has to stop and the action finally begins. A warm welcome to Wembley from me, Derek Ray. I'm joined in the commentary box by Stuart Robson, and we're just seconds away from kick-off time in what promises to be a wonderful Carabao Cup final. It is Liverpool up against Tottenham Hotspur.
What a chance for one of these teams to get their hands on silverware. And over the years, we've seen some great League Cup finals. Let's hope today matches up to some of those occasions. Really looking forward to this one, Derek.
Well, whatever way you slice it, Stuart, Mo Salah is a man you just can't take your eyes off.
Well, no matter what defensive structure you put up, this man can destroy it with his blistering pace, both with and without the ball. He's so exhilarating to watch.
And this is how Liverpool will line up. Alisson begins in goal. Trent Alexander-Arnold plays with Andrew Robertson in the wide defensive areas. Mohamed Salah plays with Cody Gakpo out wide. And the idea is to have just the one striker up there trying to pose problems for the opposition. This is the starting lineup for Tottenham Hotspur. Jed Spence plays with Pedro Porro in the fullback positions. Dejan Kulusevski plays alongside Yves Bissouma in the centre of midfield. And up front on his own is Dominic Solanke. And they kick off here. Robertson. And a chance to whip it in here. Well, unable to hold his run, and that's offside. Spurs have lost the ball. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Now Mo Salah. Diaz. Well, Spurs with the ball again. Can he find the right pass? Kulusevski. Well, possibilities inside the box. Good use of the ball, but can they trouble the defence? I think I spoke too soon. Wasn't the best of passes finally. Gakpo. Robertson. Now, who can he pick out? Opportunity! And the keeper there to deal with it. Can someone get on the end of this? And he clears the danger. And they might forge ahead. Goalkeeping of the highest order.
Well, he's got to be pleased with that save. It's absolutely magnificent.
And the short option preferred. Konate pulls it back. Van Dijk. Oh, a smart stop. Short corner favoured. And it's played into the centre. Clearance needed to be better. Mo Salah. Chance to finish. And that's a very good parry. And the corner for Liverpool. Trying to pick out a teammate. Oh, disappointing clearance. Oh, danger here. Really fine piece of defending play to break us up. And counter-attacking possibilities. But quick thinking defensively. Gakpo. Sarr. Now Son. Solanke. Promising move from Tottenham. Can he convert? Excellent block. It's there for him. Oh, a goal for Spurs! It's the opening statement in the final, and it could be massively important for them.
Well, here we can see it again, and he does so well to skip beyond the defender. It just buys him that bit of time to get his shot away. That's a really nice goal.
Well, Liverpool restart the game. A wake-up call for them, perhaps. Andrew Robertson. And cuts inside. Just cleared away in the nick of time. Teammates available. And slipped through beautifully. Mo Salah. Salah does thrive on veering in field. Alexander-Arnold. He cuts it back. Foiling his opponent completely. Diaz. On to Alexander-Arnold. Salah. Oh, a sensational save!
Well, what a piece of goalkeeping that was. He's moved so quickly to make that save. Absolutely brilliant.
Playing it in. Oh, that's not a good clearance. And swiftly ending that attack. Now, maybe room here for the counter-attack. And Spurs could be onto something. Solanke. And snuffing out the danger. Salah. And on to Alexander-Arnold. Encouraging move from Liverpool. Could cross it in here. Well, a goal for Liverpool from the corner really would change the complexion of the game. Well, they're going for the short one. Very quick thinking there. Another corner, hot on the heels of the last one. Trying to deliver it accurately. Not away completely. And I think the threat has been averted. The wide area might be the productive area for Spurs. Has someone to play it to. And effectively parried away by the keeper. Luis Diaz. Well, a joy to watch. Delightful pass. Oh, a goal it is! The equaliser in this final. What next in the drama?
Well, just look how he holds off the defender. He keeps his balance and he still hits the target. What a good goal that is.
And the referee's whistle. That will conclude the first half here at Wembley. Well, underway once more, and it's going to be fascinating to see what developments occur in this second half. Gray. Solanke. Given away by Tottenham. Wonderful challenge, and a throw-in coming up. Mo Salah. Oh, that's a really good run. Now he must favour the cross. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. Dominic Solanke. Nicely timed tackle. Ryan Gravenberch. And passing it through. Robertson. And return to Diaz. Cutting the ball back. Oh, tremendous work from the keeper to avert the danger. Bissouma. Kulusevski. Well, Spurs now in potentially a dangerous position. Son in the centre. Well, no mistake from the keeper, acting decisively. So a half an hour remaining. Diaz. Well, he loves drifting in off the flank. Oh, might be. Oh, great block. Well, they might be able to launch a counter-attack. Son. Can he finish this? Oh, not to be! Stopping a certain goal. Salah. Gakpo. And showing fine vision. And that's a very good parry.
Well, Liverpool have played some really good football and they've looked threatening, but they need to make it count while they are still on top.
Well, they need the ball once more. They know that full well. Son! And a goal to put them in front. Real drama here.
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace on the counter-attack. They were so quick to break out from their defensive positions. And that's a great finish from Son. 1v1 against the keeper. He never looked like missing, did he? That's a great goal.
So there we have it, 2-1. This might be ideal for the counter. And they'll regard that as a very disappointing end to the move. 15 minutes left for play. Pedro Porro. Pap Matar Sarr. And a passing sequence that's easy on the eye. A real opening now. Well, it's great when you can rely on your keeper. Salah. Distributing it well. Liverpool have it all to do. Defensive roadblock in the way of that cross. Well, after pressing like that, maybe the short route to goal. And the goalkeeper has outdone himself with that save. Well, both teams have had substitutes warming up, and now both will rely on their respective benches. And he's fired over the corner. Could still be dangerous. Robertson. On to Salah. He read the situation defensively and did his job. Racing forward, trying to catch them out. Chance to cross. And there it breaks down, but credit to the defence. Liverpool continue to attack with time against them here. Salah. So 2 minutes of stoppage time here. Can he find the right pass? Really fine piece of defending play to break us up. And there goes the final whistle. The cup issue is settled. A story of one side celebrating and the other distraught. Memories are being made.
Well, just look at those scenes down there, Derek. What a contrast in emotions. Brilliant for the winners, despair for the losers. But overall, the right team won today.
Yep, you can see what it means to this tight-knit team. Real solidarity.
What a great moment for any young player. And this is what you dream about when you start playing football. When you're playing in the playground, you want to win a cup. Brilliant moment.
It's a special moment in the career of any footballer. And now for the trophy lift itself. The cup winners.
Well, you can just see what it means to those players and the manager. That's fantastic stuff.
There's always the element of chance in a cup competition, but my goodness, they've taken the run with the spoon. And now they savour the moment. And I'll tell you what, Stuart, it doesn't get any better than being able to savour a triumph like this with your own fans.
And I have to say, these fans have been brilliant as well. They've made so much noise. They've been magnificent.
And now the players get to relax a bit and enjoy having the pictures taken.
Well, these photos will be cherished for years to come, won't they? Certainly ones to show the grandchildren.